So, lot of you people choose computer science or have interest in this field. Well, I know you people think that there must be a one course which can teaches you the basics of computer science and programming. Well, today I have a course which can help you a lot in making you understand the basics of computer science and programming. So, my name is Sujal and today I'll be talking about some special course for clearing the basics of computer science and programming. So, before moving ahead, please click the like button and hit the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make more videos for you guys. So, let's get started. People, when I was in school, my interest was in the field of computer science and learning programming. Well, one day when I was scrolling on YouTube, I found there is a course named Harvard CS50, that is Introduction of Computer Science and the Art of Programming. This course is really fantastic and amazing. This course is for the beginners who want to learn the basics of computer science in depth. And that's what we will be talking about today's video. This course named CS50 and taught by one of the enthusiastic mentor, J Malan, as you can see him. The way he taught is really priceless and amazing. During the whole lecture, the energy is same of this poor man. जब मैं देख रहा था उनका लेक्चर तो I was shocked. मतलब कि भाई कैसे कोई इतना एनर्जी के साथ पढ़ा सकता है, मतलब आई वॉज लिटरली शॉक एंड क्या ही बताऊँ. तो जरूर से जरूर एक बार ट्राई करना और डेफिनेटली विल नॉट रिग्रेट आफ्टर वॉचिंग हिज वीडियो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस कोर्स इज कंप्लीटली फ्री फॉर एवरीवन and you have to enroll it and then watch it on YouTube. And many of you thinking about that how they get a certificate of this course. So those who are interested in getting a certificate of this course, so you must have to pay around 6,000 INR and something like that. So this course simply taught you about the basics of computer science and programming. As I told you, this course is completely beginner friendly. Before enrolling to this course, you don't need to have any prerequisite knowledge. Okay, and like what is computer science, what is programming, what is web dev, and this course is completely for beginners. Like this course will take you from scratch to the next level. That is, after watching to this course, will crystal clear your all the concept regarding all this stuff. Another great thing about this course is that they mainly focuses on doing practical, not only theory, so that each and every concepts can be digested by anyone. And this course really make you crazy after enrolling and take the computer science to the next level. And that's really a good thing about this course. Now you people might be thinking about, like, after enrolling to this course, like what exactly you gonna learn from this course, right? So let's go to know like what you gonna exactly learn after enrolling to this course. So the number one is a broad and robust understanding of computer science and programming. So number two is you will learn how to think algorithmically and solve programming problems efficiently. Number three is you will learn the various concepts like abstractions, data structures, algorithms, software engineering and web development. And number four is the familiarity in number of languages like C, C++, PHP, CSS and HTML and many more. So people, let's go to the laptop screen so that I will show you the whole thing about CS50 course. So guys, let's go to check like how you can enroll to this course Harvard CS50. So here you can see the Google. I'm going to write CS50, then search. As you can see the official website cs50.harvard.edu, CS50 here, and you have to go with www.edx.org. You have to click here with this link, and after clicking you will get this interface. And as you can see here, the CS50 is Introduction to Computer Science and Introduction to Intellectual Enterprises of Computer Science and the Art of Programming by Harvard University. So as you can see here that 20 millions already enrolled, and if you want to enroll it, then you can enroll by clicking the enroll now button. And before enroll, you have to select the I would like to say receive email from HarvardX. Okay, so you have to select it, then you can enroll now. And right now I'm not going to enroll, so just I am making this video for you guys. So as you can see, this course is a part of professional certificate. So after completion of this course, you will get a professional certificate by Harvard University. So that's the thing about like how you can enroll to this course. Okay, so now let's go to the YouTube section, then check Harvard CS50, write CS50 Harvard, or just simply write CS50, then enter. Then you'll find that there's one cat, and this is the official channel of CS50. So just click on CS50. As you can see here, this is CS50 edX Facebook. As you can see, 7 videos. You can see the whole videos, and as you can see here, the videos, a lot of videos you will get here in this channel. And after going to playlist, you will find a lot of topics they have discussed earlier. So if you want to learn game tracks or Android tracks, web tracks, and they taught a lot of things. Like if you want to learn anything, you can go with it. Like their lectures are really phenomenal. You will learn a lot of things after watching to this course. So my suggestion will be like you have to go and check it once.